Alright, so we got question 3. Question 3 says super dart of mass to 20 kilograms traveling 20 grams traveling at 350 meters per second strikes a steel plate at an angle of 30 degrees with the plane of the plate. It bounces off the plate at the same angle but at a speed of 320 meters per second. What is the magnitude of the impulse that the plate gives to the bullet? Alright, so we're going to be using the impulse. So the impulse is E equals V final minus V initial, which is along parallel to the plane. Impulse parallel, it's VF cosine theta minus V initial cosine of theta is 20 times 10 to the negative 3 of 320 cosine of 20 degrees minus 320 sine. No, not sine. Not 320. Yeah, 3 of the 350 cosine of 30. This comes out to negatives 0.5196 newtons. Now, we're gonna go and get the impulse along the perpendicular plane. Okay. Which E, so I perp will be mass sine minus V equals 20 times 10 to the negative 3 of 320 sine of 30 minus 320 sine of negative 30. This comes out to 6.7 newtons. Now, we're going to use an impulse formula to figure out the newtons. So it's 1 I impulse of parallel plus I square of perp comes out to 0.5196 square plus 6.7 square. So that comes out to 6.7 newtons. So the answer is D, E, 6.7.